You need to watch this if you're curious about how AI gets so smart so quickly. Backpropagation is like a brain workout for AI. Imagine teaching a dog new tricks. You reward it when it gets things right and gently correct it when it doesn't. That's backpropagation in a nutshell. When an AI makes a mistake, backpropagation helps it learn from that error. It tweaks the connections in its neural network, just like a teacher guiding a student. Over time, these tiny adjustments make the AI smarter and more accurate. Think of it as fine-tuning a guitar. Each time you strum, you adjust the strings to get the perfect sound. Backpropagation works the same way, refining the AI's notes until it hits the right tune. Pretty cool, right? With every mistake, the AI gets better, faster, and smarter. And that's the beauty of backpropagation, transforming errors into learning gold. So, next time you see an AI in action, remember backpropagation is the secret sauce behind the scenes.